Well, I was going to go to bed, but I saw this has only got 264 pieces. 264 pieces. So may as well do it now. And then tomorrow I can do the videos. That's my excuse. Alright, so this is Hogwarts' first flying lesson. Grab your broomstick, it's time for flying class with Madam Hooch. I don't know why they didn't use Madam Hooch for this, but whatever. The gold minifig is Professor Quirrell. We have Madam Hooch and Draco Malfoy and Neville Longbottom. So yeah, thought I'd build this. Could be fun. It's the front of the box. Another 20-year anniversary one. It's got various play features. By the looks of things, well, for Malfoy, yeah, pretty good. I kind of like the look of it, and as it's only small, I didn't think it'd take that long. So, and there's the side of the box. These are pretty good. And we get another 2 wizard cards, and the other 2 wizard cards from the other set. All the sets so far have been different wizard cards. I've been so lucky. So let's hope it continues. All right, so let's open it up and then get started, I suppose. And then maybe I'll go to bed after that. It does a good sleep. You don't need sleep. Oh, that's not good. Might be a disaster, this one. Cool. By the way, I have got my telephone box on my desk that I built the other day. I like that. Right, here we go. No. Knew it. I knew it. Knew there would be a sticker sheet. Right. So, we've got yet again just 2 bags. 1 and 2. Goodbye. And manual. Probably nothing inside except for destructions. Yep. Okay, so we'll put that one side and use the PDF on the big screen. So let's do start building. Here we go. Nice. One gives us 2 minifigs. So inside bag 1. Quite a big bag 1. Good job. Right, so I will start the build, speed build as per normal, and I'll see you in a second. very tired person. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, awesome. I love it. You can pose these however you like, which is really cool. So it's like these kind of move. This one also moves. Door, which is really cool. You've got this guy on the top, like a statue. All the house flags here, shields, sorry, flags, whatever you want to call them. In the back, we have a trophy room right there, which is really cool. I really like that. Lots of little bits and bobs on there. You've got like the shield, so Quidditch trophies, Quidditch shield. Got trophies inside. This box here, which has got it's got like comics. I don't know what this thing is called now. The snitch, isn't it? Something. Match. I believe. Cool. You've got the different balls in here. This is supposed to be for the Quidditch games. Use. Yeah. I do like this. I wish it was like somewhere. He goes there. But it's easy. Yeah, figure. Back 20 years. Also, he who must not say his name is on the back of his head. Pretty horrifying. See that probably. So that's on the back of his head. Voldemort. Yeah, I thought that was quite a cool touch. So that's the next golden minifig done. 2 more plaques. I'm not sure if I've got them or not. Yeah. But yeah, I like the detail on this. It's very cool. Very cool. You can take them out, put them wherever you like, really. Flush like that, or you can put them good details, lovely details. I really like the details on this, especially the trophy room. It's my favourite. Little lanterns. Anyway, okay. it should be my bedtime now. So I'll leave you with that picture. I'll check these, see if I've got the same ones. Of course, now we've got these now. So I wonder, it shouldn't go there, but I'm going to put it there anyway. Why not? But yeah. Oh. That's the one we built earlier. Broken it completely now. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this at 2 o'clock in the morning, but whatever. That's quite cool. So yeah, those are the 2 that I have done today. There are more to come because I have the set with all the minifigs. So anyway, yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning. So I need to get some sleep, get my beauty sleep, because I kind of need it, you know, getting old now. Thanks very much for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you next time. And of course, I'm going to turn this off now. So bye bye.